Someone hurt you. Someone betrayed your trust. And everything inside you says, get even. But in today's gospel, Jesus teaches a different way. He says, if anyone strikes you on the right cheek, turn the other as well. Jesus is not telling us to be weak. He is teaching us not to let hatred take control of our hearts. The world says, take revenge. Jesus says, choose love. The world says, pay them back. Jesus says, forgive. When Jesus was insulted, rejected, and nailed on the cross, he did not seek revenge. Instead, he prayed, Father, forgive them. Today, Jesus invites us to break the cycle of hurt. Do not let anger become your master. Give your pain to God because hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. And when we choose forgiveness, we discover the peace that only Christ can give. Amen.